Hi there, I'm Paper Tarzan, the jungle hero made from scissors, glue, and a lot of fun. Swing into creativity with me, and let's explore the wild world of paper crafting together. Let's go. Welcome to the magical jungle, made entirely from paper. Yes, every tree, every leaf, and every animal you see is crafted by hand with love and creativity. In this special place, lions roar, monkeys swing, and elephants splash, all in a jungle where paper comes to life. Look up there. It's the king of the paper jungle, the mighty lion, made from golden paper, folded just right. With scissors, glue, and your hands, you can create your very own roaring lion to guard your paper jungle too. Listen. Splash, splash. That's our big paper elephant enjoying the river. Can you believe it's all made with paper and love? You can craft an elephant too. Just fold, glue, and give it big floppy ears. Who's that swinging from the vines? It's the cheeky paper monkey, always playing around. You can make your own monkey using brown paper, a bit of string, and a big imagination. Let's go bananas with crafting. The paper tiger is creeping through the tall grass. But don't worry, it's a friendly one. With orange and black paper, you can fold your own strippy tiger. Paper crafting turns you into a jungle artist. Wow! Look how tall that giraffe is. Its long neck helps it reach the paper leaves high in the tree. Want to make one too? Just grab some yellow and brown paper and start folding. The sky's the limit. Snap, snap. It's a sleepy paper crocodile resting by the river. You can fold one with green paper, add shiny teeth, and even make it open and close its mouth. Paper crafting brings animals to life. Look at that zebra, munching paper grass. Its black and white stripes are made from careful cuts and folds. You can make your own zebra, and maybe even give it rainbow stripes. Let your creativity run wild. Squawk. This colorful paper parrot loves to chatter. Feathers made from red, green, and yellow paper make it stand out in the jungle. Want to try? Grab your scissors and color your own parrot masterpiece. Bowing. The paper deer is leaping through the forest. You can make one that looks like it's jumping too. Just a little brown paper and lots of fun. Paper crafting lets animals move with your imagination. Here comes the strong and steady paper rhino, walking proudly through the jungle path. Built from thick grey paper and big folds, it's tough but fun to make. Crafting gives every jungle animal a place to roam. Wasn't that amazing? A whole jungle made from just paper, scissors, and a little imagination. You can craft your own magical world too, one fold at a time. Thanks for visiting our paper jungle. See you in the next adventure. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep crafting.